So, hello everyone. Today it is going to be a very informative and a fun video. Just need to watch it till the end. Today we are going to create a Google Chrome extension. Yes, we are just going to use ChatGPT for the whole process and we'll just create an extension and see if it works. Now let's proceed into the process. We will just come to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Generate the complete code, organize all the files into a folder and create a downloadable folder, and in bracket we will just put it as Google Chrome extension and keep it very simple. Then in the next line we are just going to give our idea. It is copy the current URL as a short link. And after giving all these things we will just click on enter. It will just take some time, analyze and give us a zip file. We'll just extract and create an extension. Here you can see now we can just download our extension file. We'll just click on download here. After downloading the zip file, you just need to extract it. And after that, we will just come to Chrome. We will click on this extension icon and we'll just click on manage extensions. After that, you'll just need to enable this developer mode. And after that, you can see the option load unpack. We'll click on that and we'll select the folder whichever contains our extensions file. After selecting the folder, you can see that our extension is created. Now let's see if it works or not. We will just go to our Instagram page. And now let's check if the URL is converted to a short link or not. We will just click on extensions. We'll choose our extension from here. We'll just click on this and we will click on copy short link. Now we will check if the URL is converted into a short link and if it redirects us to this Instagram page. I'll just close this tab. I'll open a new tab. I'll paste the URL here and click on enter. As you can see that the URL is tiny URL and also it is redirecting us to the Instagram page. Saw that the extension was working. You can even create an extension on your own using this method. Please let us know your feedback in the comment section. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.